Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how many kayaks can fit in a truck? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. If you're looking to get your kayak from point A to point B, fitting it in your truck is often the best option. But if you've never done it before, the process can seem a bit daunting. Luckily, with a little bit of know-how, you can have your kayak safely secured in no time. In this process, most of the kayakers have a common question. How many kayaks can fit in a truck? The number of kayaks that can fit in a truck depends on the size of the truck and the kayaks. Generally, you can fit 2 average-sized kayaks into an average-sized truck. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, how many kayaks can really fit in a trunk? Number 2, what is the average size of truck beds? Number 3, what is the average size of kayaks? Number 4, different ways to fit multiple kayaks on a truck. Number 5, use a trunk tailgate cover and slide the kayaks into the trunk. And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.